Okay, imagine hearing that noise outside your home around the clock for nearly 2 weeks. That has been the reality for some people living in Denver's Park Hill neighborhood, who says RTD's A-line train horns are disrupting their daily lives.
So we found out about this when a Denver 7 viewer reached out to us. Kelly said in an email, the residents of Northeast Park Hill are still held hostage with these train horns 24/7, no sleep for 12 days straight. Denver 7's Maggie Wilansky sat down with Kelly and some other neighbors to listen to these concerns. And after she started asking questions, well, RTD now says problem's been solved.
It starts like this. But neighbors in Northeast Park Hill
typically what I've seen is
know exactly what comes next.
2 mediums, 1 short, and 1 long, which is probably what you're gonna hear right now.
Like toot, 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 and then the other one will be like toot, toot. And this is like at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Sometimes it's 7 to 10 seconds long. Sometimes it's a couple short toots. Sometimes it's them doing it the entire way through the intersection.
A sound they say has been a constant for the past 2 weeks.
The windows shake. It wakes up the dogs. There's barking. There's chaos.
While they have heard train horns in the past, neighbors tell me it's never lasted for this long.
By our estimation, it's 576 horns in a 24-hour period, all day and all night.
And it's impacting their day-to-day lives.
Mentally, emotionally, and physically, because I'm exhausted.
The ding, 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 that's fine because that doesn't wake us up. It's the long horns that continuously wake us up in the middle of the night.
It's why Kelly and Spencer De La Mora reached out to Denver 7 for answers.
It's just been non-stop, and really we've kind of lost hope. That's why we reached out to you guys in hopes that, you know, if we can get a little bit of media attention on it, then maybe all the companies, RTD, City of Denver, maybe they'll finally start listening.
We reached out to RTD over the weekend. They said a high wind event on December 17th resulted in repairs to the crossings at Dahlia Street. And once safe operation of the signal has been verified and the crossing protections can be removed, the train horns will no longer sound.
Getting that response from Denver 7 has been a little glimpse of hope.
But there's even more hope on the horizon. This afternoon, RTD told me the train horns have been canceled as repairs had been completed and tested successfully.
We know that you're on top of it. We reached out to other news channels and you guys were the only ones that responded.
Hopefully, the only sound now will be these neighbors getting back on track. Maggie Wilansky, Denver 7.